agambire president ngu omwebembezi omusya owa Council of Ministers Georgia Melon naenda kutaho omukago musya n'amahanga ga Africa azengu naenda kuja kwabeho orukiiko ahakuja kurikiriza amaraka okurugombe bembezi ba Africa ahamuherugo kwezi ko kubanza bwanyuma yanam ahamwe na G77 Summit orukiiko rundi uja kwa ruri omuri Rome ya Italy ogu nagirango naenda kutaho omukago musya n'amahanga ga Africa agirango Italy na Africa bine bintu bingi ebiri kubagita okumara kire karingwa nagirango ogu nigwija kwaguriyo muringo go mutano okureba ngo bagarisaho enkwatagana kibase kuba okweyongera kwetungura President Museveni ebabyikirize.
The Italians to drink more coffee.
Yes, please.
And more tea. And we can work very well with Italy. We can work very well. With Italy.
We have common traditions and common Christian roots.
I'm always thinking of inviting Italy and Greece to join the African Union.
President Museveni agarukire yahamya ngo Uganda nibasakoragana kurungi na Italy abo kugira ngo Italy okumara emyaka mingi eturine kore bintu byentunguka omuri Africa. Sanova ayenjire yagira ngo omwaka guri kwija Italy neja kugiraho oruterane oraba president kandi Africa inemo muri muhango abo kugira ngo eine emigisha mingi ahamwe na nebindi bintu ebiri kubasa kuhera amahanga g'abajungu bakwataganise omukwasa kuhera Africa.
In Italy, we are much more focused on production of specialty crops, fruit and vegetables.
Okay.
They are so-called high added value crops, cash crops, more profitable, and so you can invest more in technologies, but we can also offer technologies for open field crops like cereals, oil seeds, forage.
Ayonjire yagambira President Museveni ngo Italy etekatekire kushagika Uganda omugwasa kongera ahamutindo ogwebintu ebiri kukorerwa aha mnonge by'obuhingi bari kurabira omuri teknologiya.
At the same time you can visit from there is good food, good weather. So we would very like to
much more focused on production of specialty crops, fruit and vegetables.
Okay.
They are so-called high added value crops.
more. There are Italian doctors everywhere in this country, so I don't know. And the committee, it's up to you, of course.
Azengu nibija kureba ngo babasakwatagana abo kugira Uganda eine embera nungi ngo kandi ine namizi mingi ekibari kugira ngo ekintu kija kwera okugira ngo babase kushanga ngo Uganda ine kuriya ebiri kwasa kuhibwa omuchanga echa East Africa bajangu ihangeri ya Italy ndiyo iri kusinga yo kutwara ebintu kurwo mu ihangeri ya Uganda na mnonge byo kuriya ari kugira ngo Italy niyo yabandize na no kutwara omwani okurwo mu Uganda. Abana bagira ngo bino kwesima abo kureba ngo Uganda riyo neta hemiringo eyo kongera ahabyo buhinji na mnonga nka program ya Parish Development Model bari kugira ngo ebi nabone bija kureba ko bashagika Uganda bari kubahereze byoma ahamwe na za tractor.
Abana babeshyi bahigwa kurekeraho ko